Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this InDesign tutorial, we'll be showing with you how you can wrap text around an image or an object using InDesign. So you want to start off by selecting the selection tool and drawing out a selection which captures the text and the object or image both together. We're then going to head over to Window and select Text Wrap. And we'll be presented with different options for wrapping the text around the image or object. So wrap around boundary box is an option, wrap around object shape, jump object, and jump into next column. So the option that we want to choose is wrapping around the circle. So we're going to choose wrap around the object shape. And then we can close that dialog box, and then you notice the text has then wrapped around the image. So this is a nice, useful tutorial which will be incredibly useful when working within InDesign for magazines or creating posters. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for quick tips on how to use InDesign.